Lineomatic automatic exercise book machine from reel to pile. Bolt RP104. Consists of shaftless reel unwinding stand, ruling or flexo printing tower, cross-cutting unit, sheet overlapping unit, sheet counting and collating unit, one inserter for pre-printed index sheet, one inserter for pre-printed title covers, high pile delivery station and centralized control panel with lubrication system. The unwinding shaftless reel stand is a heavy-duty, sturdy and strong reel unwinding station and floor pickup of the reel with hydraulic system and mechanical core chuck. It has automatic motorized decurling unit to remove the curling from the paper to make it flat. Reel stand is also equipped with air-cooled hydraulic disc brake, both the sides. Reel stand is provided with web guiding system for proper alignment of paper. Ruling or flexo printing tower is a very important portion of the machine. Printing tower has two color flexo printing units on each side. It is equipped with automatic ink circulation system. After printing, the paper passes through rotary cross-cutting unit. Cross-cutting unit is provided with one flying and one fixed knife rotary cross-cutting system, so as to cut sheet length according to sheet size. After accurately cutting of the paper passes through the overlapping unit to control the speed of the paper. Automatic sheet counting unit is counting the sheets by the encoder, and collating unit is for collating the bunch of counted sheets, controlled by servo motor and touch screen through panel. This unit is also provided with a robot system to pick up the counted sheets bunch to transfer on the conveyor table. Machine is provided with index inserter that inserts pre-printed index sheet automatically at every bunch, and it is synchronized with machine speed. Machine is also equipped with title cover inserter that inserts pre-printed title cover automatically on every bunch. High pile delivery station provides counted and uniform pile of printed sheets with title cover that can directly be taken for further process. Machine is equipped with high-tech electronic control panel suitable for operating all electrical and electronic function with inbuilt air conditioner, Internet Wi-Fi modem in control panel and production reporting system through advanced SMS module system which sends message directly to mobile. Automatic centralized lubrication system for oil and grease with low pressure indicator. Machine is also provided with world-class make air compressor fitted with inbuilt air dryer to provide dry clean air.